According to many, Cardano ADA is immersed in a great deal of hype despite its label as a ghost chain. Perhaps this is why the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, faces a lot of opposition whenever he grabs a mic to speak or make posts. If ADA is surviving on hype, it would fizzle into thin air 10 years to come. But is this expectation accurate? For a while, the crypto market has been toiling in the abyss of uncertainty following the runoff of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange and the failed attempt of a takeover by Binance. The entire fiasco began after Binance's CZ expressed doubts about the integrity of Alameda Research, a trading affiliate of FTX. The thing is, the tweet from CZ sparked a frenzy among investors, which led to the outflow of billions of dollars in crypto asset from the exchange. Quite appalling, right? With this turbulent crypto weather and bleak levels of faith, how would Cardano Price Prediction analysts, especially the bullish ones, convince investors that they are not compiling a chunk of lies? The Cardano price analysis shows that the Cardano market is currently in a bearish rally as the price action observed a breakdown from the 40 cents mark to the 35-cent price level. But the bulls made some recovery and the price has risen back to the 37-cent mark. Traders should expect ADA to observe sideways movement at the current price level before the price action continues its downward motion. This suggestion is strengthened by the drift between the short and medium term charts that indicate bullish and bearish trends respectively. Currently, the price can be expected to move to 37.8 cents before finding a strong resistance level. A return to historical records might also help us. Before its launch in 2017, ADA coins were already on the sale as far back as 2015, and the sales continued until January 2017, after which it was launched. However, its first rise in price was January 2018, when it hit a record high of $1.31 due to the cryptocurrency rally. The price soon dropped to 15 cents by April, and by the end of the year, it was worth 4 cents. And just in case you didn't know, ADA was only worth around 10 cents in 2019 and started increasing again in late 2020, finishing the year at 19 cents. At the beginning of 2021, the crypto rally saw the value of Cardano increase greatly, reaching a record high of $1.49 by February 27, 2021. This was just the start though, as ADA's prices kept increasing. Later in May, a price of $2.46 was reached by ADA, and this was an all-time high. It continued to remain its price within the range of $1.20 to $2. On September 2, 2021, the Cardano price reached an all-time high of $3.10. Of course, this is quite a familiar record. Whether this is important or not, Cardano was the best performing coin in the crypto world alongside Solana, Algorand, Luna, and Tezos for the past year, experiencing a bullish trend. However, the bulls lost control of the Cardano market, which indicated new lows for the cryptocurrency. Going into 2023, analysts were optimistic about the fortunes of the market, and ADA could experience a turnaround as well with the entire market. Yes, amid these highs and lows, Cardano has stayed resilient, and this is due to its strong fundamentals though. For the Cardano network, it's business as usual as its NFT marketplace has celebrated a couple of wins. JPG Store, one of the largest NFT marketplaces, tweeted a community milestone last month. It was good news as Cardano is being further adopted by game developers. Kyle Puller, the head of marketing for Wolves of Rome, an NFT trading card game built on the Cardano blockchain, took a moment to explain why crypto game developers are turning to Cardano. I think for us, many of the team were already settled into the Cardano community. We loved the ethos, the fact that it was relatively uncrowded, the measure twice cut once approach, and of course the low gas fees. So it made sense that if we were to contribute by building something, it would be here, he said. The whole market was supposed to benefit from Cardano's Vassal hard fork. If we have a long, deep recession, crypto will also slow down because transactions of all kinds will decline. Crypto and Cardano either make sense long term or not. Cardano has also proven itself to be a great chain to build on, from both a security and reliability standpoint, he added. To an extent, this is true. Cardano's Vassal hard fork happened last September and brought numerous upgrades to the network's capacity. Other expectations were met, but it was not enough. This was the point when everyone started to believe that Cardano was hinged on hype. Notwithstanding, Cardano will soon enter the volatile phase of its roadmap, and it will be truly an event worth waiting for. Also, Cardano-based NFTs are quite popular nowadays because of the surge in Ethereum's gas fees. The rising congestion and gas fees make the Cardano's ecosystem most suited for NFT tokens. Recently, there has been a lot of partnerships between Cardano NFT artists. DJ Paul Oakenfold, a Grammy winner EDM artist, teamed up with Cardano to launch his next album as NFTs. The digital asset album will be based on the Cardano blockchain and it is labeled Zombie Lobster. The plan is to concentrate on new NFT projects on Cardano, therefore Starship Universe, an NFT project, also deserves special mention. This project is being managed by Alon Shulman, who has partnered with Cardano to release thousands of NFT tokens under this new project. Can you see what we're seeing? The Cardano ecosystem is robust, with lots of projects and developments. Over and over again, the cryptosphere has proven to be quite the subject to speculations and market sentiment, whether positive or negative, as made evident by the current bear market. Despite the falling prices, the Cardano price predictions are largely positive. For some investors, Cardano's real success is when it overtakes the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum, regardless of the bullish predictions or elevated assurance of recovery. And yes, Cardano has been tagged as an Ethereum killer, even though this is not enough to drive the climb the ladder of success in the industry. Every year, it seems that there's a new blockchain rival that investors think might eventually take Ethereum's place as the top layer 1 blockchain. In past years, these blockchain rivals have included the likes of Solana and Avalanche. However, as a result of a strong track record of innovation, Ethereum has retained its market-leading position. Now, it seems the blockchain everyone is talking about is a solid Ethereum rival, which is Cardano. Year to date, Ethereum is up 53% and Cardano is up 50%, so it's almost a dead heat. So you may ask, where is the killing potential? Ethereum has the first mover advantage in just about every sector of the blockchain world. It invented the concept of smart contracts, so it's no surprise that it is still the clear leader in everything from non-fungible tokens to decentralized finance. For example, you take a look at the top-selling NFT collections, and almost all of them are Ethereum-based, and it remains the top blockchain by overall NFT sales volume. Ethereum is not just about the hype, it delivers great and reliable advantages. But some investors are sitting up and taking notice that Cardano has finally introduced its long-promised layer 2 scaling solution, Hydra. According to some Cardano developers, Hydra is the key to 1 million transactions per second, even though a critic recently stated that it was not possible. Well, that's a performance benchmark that Ethereum has been promising, but failed to deliver on for years. At 1 million transactions per second, the Cardano blockchain would be nearly 15 times faster than Visa's credit card network, which claims to be capable of processing 65,000 transactions per second. Plus, Cardano has suddenly boasted its profile in the DeFi world, where it has been a non-player for years. DeFi is a new priority for Cardano in 2023, and thus far the blockchain has delivered tremendous turnouts. It has a new stablecoin, new decentralized exchanges, and new DeFi protocols. All of these innovations can make it possible for Cardano to create a robust DeFi ecosystem. It's too early to say that Cardano is a serious rival to Ethereum, given that it still ranks number 18 among all blockchains in DeFi, but at least it's no more of a ghost chain as everyone thinks. At the end of the day, the blockchain sector is just like any other part of the tech industry. Innovation is key, and investors are willing to pay a premium for tokens on the blockchain that appear to be innovating faster. Right now, Ethereum is still riding high after pulling off the merge last year, so the innovation bar is high these days. Most investors are looking for truly breakthroughs and innovations, not just incremental improvements, a sharp contrast to what others think. Cardano is setting a dynamic pace, steadily and meticulously. It might not eventually overtake Ethereum, but it would create something unique. And by 2032, its efforts might start to pay off. So what do you say? HODL or sell? But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.